See, I went around the vehicle a couple of times, took a lot of information, and we've got 2 different truck beds.
It's a new day, and today during lunch I plan on scanning my Jeep with one of the 3D scanning apps. That's the whole kit and caboodle of today. Alright, so I'm out to lunch, and right now I'm going to take and scan the Jeep with my phone. Should be exciting. Stay tuned.
Today I'm going to do Polycam. I'm going to start right here. And LiDAR mode. Room photo. Okay. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. And now we're going to enjoy a time lapse. Okay, so now we're done. We're gonna hit this and let's save the data. It's processing. Well, looks like at first glance like it's gonna be pretty piss poor. Well, we'll let it do its thing. I'll come back and check it out as soon as it's done.
So I'm coming back into the office after lunch, and I'll do some work, and I'll take a look at that scan because I need to get some work done. Last night got away from me, and it's the next day. My computer's booting up here at work, and I thought I would take a quick look at the 3D scan from yesterday's lunch and just see what we think. So here goes.
All right, so let's go into the Polycam app. I'm gonna go out of the mode with you right there, and then let's see. So here is from yesterday. Now, at first glance, this looks pretty decent. The problem is, you can see I went around the vehicle a couple of times, took a lot of information, but there's a lot of drift. And we've got 2 different truck beds. We've got looks like 2 different caps for the cab. Funny thing about these apps is I feel like, look at the hood. The hood looks like it's got a pretty decent profile. And I mean, this looks good, but we've got random things floating in space right there. And just looking at this, for as much time as I spent scanning the back bed to have it that piss poor, and then just look at this detail right there, like it's picking up images of what was sticking out the back, but it never even built the bike rack, which if I look down, the image of the bike rack is down on the ground. So I'm gonna have to say that we've got 3 more apps to try on the actual Jeep, and this one is just not feeling like a winner right now. So yeah, granted, I could not write a program that would do this, but I gotta imagine that there's one out there that does a better job of building a 3D model out of a real world thing. So that's my quick thought.
So the journey to find the app that's going to be the right one to use to start doing this 3D modeling is going to continue. So this one that I just did was with Polycam, and the next one is going to be the 3D scanner app, and it's going to be on an iPhone 14 Pro with the latest software. But anyways, those are my thoughts, and you know the drill. Work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home, and I'm going to get